Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using wireless power sharing on compatible Samsung Galaxy phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on Battery and Device Care. Then select Battery. Scroll down and tap Wireless Power Sharing. You now need to turn the toggle on to the right of Off. When it's on, the toggle will be blue. Now turn your phone over and place the device that you would like to charge in the center of the phone. Your phone will make a charging noise when it starts charging. If it's not charging quickly or at all, then you can try removing the cases of both devices. You can charge any phone that has wireless charging enabled in this way, as well as Samsung watches and Galaxy Buds. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.